Hello everyone, today we are going to be making a spinning flower out of Lego. Alright, we are going to start by making our stem. So you want to take your Technic axle and put it through a round full-size 2x2, and then you alternate between the 1/3 size round 2x2s and the regular size, and you just go all the way up your axle to make a stem. Next you take your Technic connector and put it on the top, so, and then you put in another axle, and then another round 1/3 size 2x2, and then a bushing. I chose yellow for this. Alright, we're going to put this aside for now and get to work on the flower. So to make the petals, you are going to be using wheel arches. I chose pink, and a 1x2. I chose blue for this one. And you can choose whichever colors you want. And done. We'll put those aside. Alright, to get started making the center of your flower, you use a 4x4 circle that's 1/3 height. And these 1x2s with the studs on the side, like that. And put them on each side of the center of your flower. Whoops. Okay, there we go. And then you use these 1x2 converter things that convert to just one stud. And put them over the 1x2s you already put on. And then these clips. These are 1x1 clips. And I hope I'm putting them on the right way. We'll see. I don't think I put that on right. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Alright, and at this point you're going to need your stem, and you put the axle through the hole there and a bushing. Push that all the way down. There we go, it spins. Next you add this wheel. It just clips right on there. And then I'm using black faucet pieces for the center of my flower. I really like the way that faucet pieces look on flowers. I think it's a really great interior. And then there's these claw things that just clip in between your bricks there. Alright, and then you take your petals that were already made and just clip them onto the sides here. Why am I having trouble with that? There we go. There we go. We have a lovely spinning flower. It's a little bit top heavy, so it doesn't stand up on its own. You have to put it on a decent size base plate if you want it to stand up on its own. And there you go. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos. Thanks for watching.